Hello guys, welcome back to another video. As you all know that we have recently purchased OnePlus Nord and I'm not doing any kind of unboxing video because there are tons of videos available on YouTube. Just for your information, this is in 6GB variant with 64GB of internal storage. And we have the first OTA update available for this device. Right now device is running Oxygen OS 10.5.7 which is in stable version, and we have a new update which is Oxygen OS 10.5.8. Update is rolling out in batches, so it might take some time to receive it on your device. But if you want to update your device immediately, files are available in the description below. You can just download that file and you need to place that file inside the internal storage. So this is the file which is of latest update and the update size is 273 MB. Once you download that file, go to settings, system update, tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade and you should see that file. You can tap on that and tap on install now. Once installation process is completed, you can reboot your device. Devices have been successfully updated. Let me show you the software information. Android version is Android 10, Oxygen OS build is 10.5.8. And finally, they have rolled out the security patch which is 1st September 2020. Out of the box, device came with 1st July 2020 security patch. Basically nothing new added with this latest update for OnePlus Nord series. Launcher version remains 4.7.3 if you are a beta user, which brings this new OnePlus Scout search feature. A dedicated video is available in the description below, you guys can check that out. After the update, camera version is 4.4.121. Before the update, camera version was 4.4.116. Few optimizations have been done under camera, but changes are not noticeable. We'll show you pictures taken before and after update. Now let's talk about the changelogs. So here we have the list of changelogs which comes with Oxygen OS 10.5.8. in which changes are related to system, camera, display and network. So here under system they have added a new feature which is called hide silent notification in status bar, and that can be found in the settings, apps and notification, tapping on advanced, and here you can find an option of hide silent notification in status bar. After the update you need to go inside the notification section and enable this feature. Basically this feature will filter all unimportant notifications for easier notification management. After that, next changelog is related to expanded screenshot which says optimize the expanded screenshot user experience for some scenes. So few users might have reported this issue, but I have never faced any kind of issues related to expanded screenshot. Here they have done few optimizations. After that, fixed known issues and improved system stability, and at last security patch have been updated to September 2020. As I said earlier, out of the box we got July security patch and that has been updated now. Now talking about the next changelog which is related to camera, which says optimize image stabilization performance, and with related to camera it was not a noticeable change. Here are a few pictures which were taken before and after update. After that, next changelog is related to display which says improved general display calibration. So here some adjustment or improvements have been done related to display. You guys let me know, do you feel any changes after the update or not? And at last, again optimizations related to network stability. So guys, these were the changelogs of latest update for OnePlus Nord series which is Oxygen OS 10.5.8. Now let's talk about the benchmark results. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 620 and multi-core have scored 1929. With Antutu benchmark device have scored 3,11,930. And also you guys let me know in the comment section below whether you want a gaming test on this device or not. So guys, this was a quick look on all the changelogs of latest update for OnePlus Nord. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.